Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Afambu Ngozi. My name is Ngozi, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back. If today is your first time here, I promise you a truckload of fun. You are welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos each time I upload. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to describe people in Igbo language. How to describe people, that is describing people in Igbo language. Ikowa maka mmadu. Ikowa maka mmadu n'Igbo. Okay? Good. Let's start with tall. Tall. Ogonogo. Tall. Ogonogo. Short. Mkpomkpo. Short. Mkpomkpo. He is tall. Otolu ogonogo. He is tall. Otolu ogonogo. She is short. Osolo mkpomkpo. She is short. Osolo mkpomkpo. My mother is tall. Nnem tolu ogonogo. My father is short. Nnam solo mkpomkpo. So ogonogo for tall, then mkpomkpo for short. Okay? The next one is slim. 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 Gili gili. Gili gili. Gili gili. Okay? Good. She is slim. Odi gili gili. She is slim. Odi gili gili. Okay? Yes. Number 3, we have fat. Fat or plump. Okay? Good. Fat. Ivu or Ibu. Ivu or Ibu. Okay? Good. Ivu or Ibu. Okay? She is fat. She is fat. Ovulivu. She is fat. Ovulivu. He is fat. Ovulivu or obulibu. Okay? Good. The next one is old or aged. The aged. Okay? An old woman. Agadi nwanyi. Agadi nwanyi. That is an old woman. Agadi woke. An old man. Agadi woke. An old man. Okay? So the aged, the old, the elderly are called okenye or agadi. Okay? Agadi or okenye. So we have agadi nwanya or agadi woke. Okay? Good. The next one is mma, beauty. Okay? Mma, beauty. That is beautiful. Mma, beautiful. Maloma, beautiful. Mma, beauty. Mma. Now let's make a sentence. A simple sentence. The girl is beautiful. The girl is beautiful. Nwa agbọghọbịa maloma. Nwa agbọghọbịa maloma or nwata nwanyị a maloma. Nwata nwanyị a maloma. Nwa agbọghọbịa maloma. The girl is beautiful. Okay? Now the next one we have ugly. Ugly. Njọ. Ugly. Njọ. Ugly. He is ugly. Ojolo njọ. Ojolo njọ. He is ugly. Ojolo njọ. Very ugly. Ojolo njọ rinne. Remember when I told you that very, something that is extreme, like very. is rinne. So she is very beautiful. Omaloma rinne. He is very ugly. Ojolonjo rinne. Okay? Ojolonjo rinne. He is very ugly. Omaloma rinne. She is very beautiful. Okay? Good. Remember I also told you that old, elderly, aged, they all fall under okenye or agadi. Okay? But if you want to specify the gender, that's when you say agadi nwanyị for an old woman, then agadi woke for an old man. Okay? Onaga. Again on beauty and beautiful. Omalicha can also pass for beautiful. Okay? It can also pass for handsome. Omalicha woke, a handsome man, a handsome, a handsome dude. Omalicha woke amakakwa. This man is really handsome. Woke maloma. This man is handsome. Mwabobia maloma. This girl or this lady is beautiful. Okay? Omalicha woke, a handsome man. Omalicha wine, a beautiful woman. Okay, so we have maloma or omalicha. Okay, good. Now still on describing people. Now let's move to the hair. We have the hairs. We call that ntutu. So the one on the head, ntutu ishi, ntutu ishi, ntutu ishi. Now let's apply what we said earlier to this. We have ogonogo ntutu, a long hair. Ogonogo ntutu, long hairs. Ogonogo ntutu, long hairs. Now we talk about bald. Bald, we have ishi nkwocha. Ishi nkwocha. Ishi nkwocha. Ishi nkwocha is bald. Okay, when someone is bald, we say the person will ishi nkwocha. Ishi nkwocha. Long hairs. Ogonogo ntutu. Okay, but always remember the bald is what? Ishi nkwocha. The next one is black hairs. Ntutu oji. Remember when I did something on colors in Igbo language? Yes, I think I will leave the link of the video in the description so you can easily have access to them. Okay, good. Now we have black hairs. Ntutu oji. Ntutu hairs. Okay, oji black. Okay, ntutu oji. Ntutu oji. Then the blonde, we call it ntutu ocha. That is blonde hair. Okay, blonde hairs. Ntutu ocha, blonde hair. Ntutu ocha. Okay, now let's make simple sentences. Okay, good. Okay, if someone walks up to you maybe during a conversation and asks you to please give him or her the description of the lady. Okay, see how to say it in Igbo. Biko kowalum ka nwaanyị anwụ dị. Kowalum, kowalum. Kowa is describe. Kowalum ka nwaanyị anwụ dị. Please give me a description of that lady. Okay, kowalum ka nwaanyị anwụ dị. Inugo. It can also come like this. How does he look like, or how does she look like? Okay, that is kedu ka nwoke anwụ dị. Kedi ka nwaanyị anwụ dị. That is describe. Okay, but if you do not want to add nwaanyị or woke, okay, that is the male or female, you can easily say kedi ka ọ dị. Kedi ka ọ dị. How does he look like, or how does she look like? Kedu ka ọ dị. Kedu ka ọ dị. After this question, let's give a description of a particular girl. Okay, she is tall. Otolu ogonogo. She has long hairs. Onwelu ogonogo ntutu. She has long hairs. onwelu ogologo ntutu. Okay, now the next one is owalu eze. Owalu eze simply means she is gap-toothed. She has a gap tooth. She is gap-toothed. Owalu eze. Owalu eze. Owalu eze. Okay, otolu ogonogo. She's tall. Ovulivu. She's plump or she's fat. Omalumawani. She is a beautiful lady. Okay, the next on our list is complexion. Okay, she is fair. Odi ocha. Odi ocha. She is fair in complexion. Odi ocha or onacha ocha. Odi ocha or onacha ocha. She is dark in complexion. Odi oji. Odi oji or ona eji oji. Ona eji oji. Okay, she is fair in complexion. Odi ocha or ona ocha. She is dark in complexion. Odi oji or ona eji oji. All right, good. So we've come to the end of today's video. Ejim n'aka na nkuzi nke taa nwere ulu ọbalụ gị. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified. God is there, no gozo. Bye.